Hello friends, welcome to MDCZ. In this video, I'm gonna break down the 6th episode of season 7 of the Flash series. I'll explain some important details from this episode, so watch the video till the end. This video is available in English, Hindi and Marathi, so to watch this video in your preferred language, go through the links mentioned in the description box or check out the playlist section of the MDCZ channel. If you didn't subscribe to MDCZ yet, then please hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start this video. This episode was a kind of a balanced episode, means not that great and not that bad. Just like I told you in my last breakdown, they have introduced us to the new villain, but this time we know what is actually happening in this series. I'll share those details with you in the breakdown. There is no Flash action in this episode, so as we know, he is in a cryo chamber now. So let's start this breakdown to understand important details from this episode. The episode starts with some strange things happening in the central city. A dinosaur appeared in the city, the real one. On the other hand, Chester and Cisco figured out a way to track these new villains to be aware of this monster's presence. Until Barry stabilizes, Speed Force needs to be protected because this time she can't survive another attack. She was really weak. Cisco and Chester went to test their machine, but suddenly a green energy barrier passed them and trapped them inside that barrier. Actually, they were trapped inside the time loop. They were living the same day in 1988 again and again. They decided to find out the person responsible for this time loop. They named him the Time God. On the other hand, Iris and Nora were talking about Barry and his feelings about his mother. In short, we can say Nora the Speed Force tried to connect with Barry. While Cisco and Chester were searching for Time God and found a way to solve this issue, Chester crossed his path with his father. Then he realized how much Chester's father has sacrificed his life for Chester. Later, Chester and Cisco went back to high school to figure out a way to solve this issue. But suddenly, the Time God appeared in front of them and tried to stop them. He started spreading his energy barrier over the entire city. Everyone started getting trapped inside that time loop. Time God was emotionally weak and he suffered a lot in his life, and that's why he created a time loop to enjoy the special day again and again in his life. Chester convinced him to stop this attack and he succeeded in that. But Time God also realized the depth of his powers and went to explore that. That means he is definitely gonna do some bad shit in this next episodes. Later, they showed us Barry now has been completely stabilized. And now here's the important part come. At the end of this episode, they realize that the villains they are facing now are the different kinds of forces like the Speed Force. Like Fierza is Strength Force, Psyche is a Sage Force, Time God is a Steel Force. Cisco is the one who gave these names. I have a theory on this which I'll tell you later. On the other hand, Joe came and told Frost about Officer Christine. He told her that she is here to arrest Frost. But rather than hiding, Frost decided to face Christine this time. And here episode 6 ends. This episode really gave a lot of details about what's happening in this series. As we know, there are 3 more different kinds of forces. So in short, we can say that when Speed Force was reborn, there are 3 more forces has been formed. Maybe this happens because of the multiverse particles. Maybe these 3 different forces are from another universe. Fusion Sphere was filled up with the multiverse particle. So, when they used that Fusion Sphere to reborn the original Speed Force, it also extracted all other 3 forces from the multiverse. This can clarify the 4 different colors. I also think Speed Force is hiding something from others. Maybe I might be wrong about this, but she seems kind of weird while talking with Cisco at the end of this episode. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below. If you love this video, please hit the like button and share it with all Marvel fans. If you don't want to miss out on the regular Marvel and DC Universe related videos on Monday to Friday, then please hit the subscribe button of MDCZ channel and press the bell icon. Now, I'll see you in the next video guys. Till then, do whatever you want to do. Just be safe, don't hurt anyone and be happy.